Bonjour à tous et bienvenue à ma chaîne YouTube. Today on my workbench, I have Marvin's QuadraFire brand Pellet Stove Controller. This is an all-black box unit, model number 230-0120. This one is serial number 45657. Marvin sent me this controller along with the second one that he recently purchased because they both needed servicing and repairs. Marvin indicated that they would not drive the heater element, so the fire would not automatically start. After receiving them, I did some troubleshooting. I found the problem with both, I've made the corrections, and it's now time to do final tests. As you can see, I have Marvin's older pellet stove controller on my workbench here. It's connected to my tester. My tester is made up of course we see the controller. There's an actual thermostat like the one on the wall in your home. I have a temperature simulator, which is currently set to approximately 70 degrees Fahrenheit. I also have a faceplate here which holds an actual auger motor. The shaft from the auger motor comes out the front. There's an X marks the spot decal on it, so that when the auger motor is being asked to drive by the controller, you'll see the X marks the spot spin in the video. You'll also hear the auger motor drive. At the rear I have 4 light bulbs. The 4 light bulbs simulate different functions of your stove. The first one simulates the igniter. In blue I have a combustion simulator. That one simulates the firebox fan. The third one simulates the auger motor. And finally in red at the far end is a convection or room fan. Just know that for this box, that fan will not come on. That is a function of the stove and a switch on the stove only. I also have a green lamp here that will come on. That's a call for heat lamp. That will come on when I make a call for heat using the thermostat. So let me go ahead and turn on the controller and we'll see what happens. So first of all, we have one light bulb. The combustion fan comes on. That's pretty standard for when you power up. That will be in this mode for about 15 minutes. But since I'm not calling for heat, nothing else is going to happen. I will say that there are 5 timers inside the controller. I did check all of those timers and they are functioning correctly. So I'm pretty confident that this light will go off on its own if I don't change anything in about 15 minutes. So with the temperature being at 70 degrees Fahrenheit, let's do a call for heat. As I do a call for heat, we see that the little green indicator lamp has come on. The call for heat lamp has come on, so that's functioning. Let's turn that off. So you see that's functioning. And we also had some lights come on in the back. We had the igniter come on and we had the auger motor run. The auger motor will run and feed some pellets as the igniter tries to ignite those. So let me increase the temperature. And as I get to 275 degrees Fahrenheit, we'll see the little green light on here come on. There we go, we see it come on. I can dance around it back and forth, back and forth. And I can continue increasing the temperature up to 1000 degrees Fahrenheit where we'll see the red light come on. That's 500, 600, 7, 8, 9, 15. There we go, we danced around it. And we see that as the red light comes on, notice the red light down here, that causes the igniter to go on and off, on and off, on and off. With the red indicator light being on, we see that the auger motor is driving constantly and the igniter is now off. So, with more pellets being dropped into the fire pit, the fire being at temperature, self-sustaining temperature, the room will get warmer and warmer, at which point the room thermostat will open and that will cause the auger motor to stop driving. The fire will continue burning, the room will cool a little bit as the fire diminishes. The thermostat will actuate one more time and cause the pellets to be driven into the fire pit by the auger. The fire will start roaring once again, the room will warm up, the thermostat will open, the auger will stop driving pellets into the fire pit, the fire will diminish, and the room will cool, at which point the thermostat will once again ask for heat. So that cycle will go on until somebody either shuts off the thermostat or we run out of pellets in the hopper. So there we have it, Marvin. Your controller is fully functional once again. Marvin, I do want to thank you very much for sending me your controller for repairs. I appreciate that very much. And for all you other viewers out there, if you have a pellet stove controller of your own, whether it's a Breckwell, USSC, QuadraFire, or other brands, and you have a service or repair need for it, please feel free to contact me. I'd be more than happy to speak to you about that. In the meantime, I hope you'll take a few seconds to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate that very much. Thanks everyone. Bye-bye.